What is up, guys? This is Timtense and Jessica, and today we're in Albania, in Berat, and we're going to do the Osumi Canyon tour. The Osumi is a river that passes through Berat and also goes to Korovode or Sorovode, not sure how to pronounce it, and there are beautiful canyons there. There's a nice waterfall, and we're taking the tour with 1001 Albanian adventures. We met at 8:30 with Gentian or Genti, our tour guide from 1001 Albanian Adventures. Genti explained us all about how it used to be during communist times and how there was a big bullet factory that employed a lot of people in the region. While driving through the Tomorr National Park, we enjoyed stunning landscapes.
A few days ago was beautiful, and in a week will be green color, the water. But even like that, nature is nice here.
Yeah,
it's quite wild.
Just making a quick stop here in a small town to get a drink on the tour to Bogova waterfall, and the views are very spectacular so far. After having a drink at the local bar, we started driving as close as possible to the Bogova waterfall. We parked the car and started hiking, and one of the first things we saw was a fish farm. Here they grow trout, and you can buy fresh fish straight from the farm. The white fish that you can see are albinos. So we're hiking to the Bogova waterfall right now. It's about a 20-minute hike from the car. It's pretty warm now. We followed the beautiful trails and the curvy river for about 20 minutes before arriving to the beautiful Bogova waterfall. Alright, and we have arrived at Bogova waterfall. It looks very beautiful here, and we're all alone here, only in Albania. Alright, we put on our swimming suit and now we're going to check out the water, but it looks really cold. So we had a quick swim here in the Bogova waterfall, but it's ice cold really. To jump in, my legs really hurt, but it's really energizing, really refreshing. We relaxed for a bit before starting the hike back to the car. We continued our tour through the beautiful national park. Next stop is the town Chorovoda. So we arrived in Chorovoda and we're going to have a lunch here. Some traditional foods with our guide.
The Zuar team. Zuar. Lunch in Chorovoda. We have some tascebab called here, some beef meat salad, Greek salad. We call Greek salad, but everything is Albanian. Olives are from Berat, tomatoes from Chorovoda, cucumbers, onions, paprika, and very good cheese from the goats, and the sheep, and the cows of this area. Having some American juice here. Very good rice with juice of tascebab, and plenty of water, good water from this area. And the bread is very good.
It's homemade?
No, it's baked in the shop. Okay, good appetite. I hope you enjoy the food here.
How do you say that in Albanian?
You buff the mirror.
We We enjoyed a delicious lunch with only Albanian products and started driving to the Osumi Canyon, where we had a beautiful view over the whole canyon. We have arrived in Choravode Canyon. It's very beautiful here. It's like the Grand Canyon of Albania, but better than the Grand Canyon, of course. Now it was time to see the canyon from below, so we hiked down a secret trail towards the Osumi River.
We make alcohol of that in Belgium.
Raki also? Yeah, they make raki from that.
Everything, all the foods we make raki in Albania.
And we're getting close to the bottom of the canyon, I think. I can hear the water already. After a 15-minute hike down, we arrived at the Osumi River. Are you ready to cross the river?
Yes.
Let's do it! Because it had rained the day before, the water looked grey, but still, the canyon looked stunning. We made it across the river alive. Wasn't that bad actually, just a little bit of current, but nothing bad. It's deep here? Yeah. And Gentian will refill his bottle right there, on a natural source. We're going to do another river crossing. That's the 4th river crossing, I think. We're going to do right here. So let's see how it goes. We're deep in the water right now, trying to cross the river. Come on, you're almost there. So this is here the narrow canyon, because the rocks are much stronger, the water didn't split that much. And you can also do rafting here actually. Alright, this was it for the canyon exploring. Now we're heading back to the car. No time for filming because it's getting really late and we still have a while to drive, and we might visit Gentian, his place also, so see you later. So this is a military bridge that can resist tanks, and it's the only connection from
one side of the canyon to the other side, also from this side to go south. From Berat through Choravode, you can go southward to connect to Primet and then to Gjirokastra and Sarahamad.
But you need a 4x4 or a high motorbike or on foot. That's also an option.
Well safe.
So the last stop of the Osumi Canyon tour is at Bride's Hole, and the story goes that there was a bride in a arranged wedding between two villages, and she didn't really want to get married, so she jumped in the hole right there, and they never saw her again. So not sure, it's a legend, but you know, maybe. And now the real last stop of the Bogova waterfall Osumi Canyon tour, and this is the bridge from during the Ottomans' time, and it's a very strong bridge. It was used for the traders back in the days, and it's very strong. You can see how it's built. It's an arc, another arc, another arc to make it extra strong. After visiting all these beautiful places, we started driving back to Berat, and we had a delicious dinner with Genti and his family to top it all off. What a day! Alright guys, this was it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out 1001 Albanian Adventures. They know what they're doing. They have a very good guide. His name is Gentian or Genti. Ask about him. They're doing great tours. So check them out and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.